treat? Get your Kong refilled. FUNDAY.
But first, coffee. Yeah. Good morning. Good morning. What do you think about today? You want us to make corn fritters? Oh, you want us to make corn fritters? Yeah? Oh, it's worth getting up for.
I'm gonna go help make corn fritters.
You gonna help me?
You just said.
You gonna help me make corn fritters? Huh? Yeah? Corn fritters? Are you in? Okay, let's do it. Your spot's right here. Here we go, Maya.
There you go.
Here we go, sweet girl. Come on, you got it. You got it. Good job. Good job, sweet girl. Move this big bottle of wine out of the way. Why are we making corn fritters?
Because they're delicious.
It's an interesting choice.
Well, haven't had them for a long time.
Yeah.
And as you mentioned earlier, you don't recall ever having had them together.
No. Have you ever made them?
Yeah. I think I first had them when I was in the Army at Fort Polk in Louisiana.
Yeah, that seems right. How old were you then?
19.
19. That's when you went into the Army? You were 19? I thought you were 20 for some reason.
22 when I got out.
Yeah, I was going to say.
Yeah.
So you have good memories around these corn fritters?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. It's really tasty. I mean, it's just a mix of sweet and sugar. Right?
Kind of seems like it, yeah.
Yeah. Perfect for breakfast.
My avocado toast suggestion didn't go over very well.
Well, your avocado toast is good too. It just doesn't have enough butter and maple syrup on it.
What can I do for you?
I read the instructions, I guess. We need to get out stuff.
All
We
right.
need some milk.
Milk. Oil for deep frying.
What?
Nothing.
1 cup of sifted flour. Well, I'm not going to sift the flour.
Oh, you can do this here.
I don't want to sift the flour.
You don't have to sift it. But
I don't want to sift the flour. I'm just going
goodness gracious. Persnickety, are we?
No, I'm just doing it my way.
I did it my way.
Just a little shy of a cup. That'll.
Okay.
The flour grains aren't going to know they haven't been sifted.
Want flour, sugar, and 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon.
Look at you go.
Sugar, salt, 1/2 teaspoon.
Not going to have salty ones?
No. 1/2 teaspoon salt. Still seems like a lot. Baking powder. 1 teaspoon baking powder.
kind of hot. So, as I recall, you said that the convention is to leave the hot pad there so you know it's hot.
That's what I do. I don't know if you understand my communication
you taught me that.
Oh, did I?
I did. So I did that. See?
Well, when I see that, it makes me think about it. But,
Good.
you know, not everybody.
All right.
All right, 1 teaspoon baking powder. Oh, we got to make an egg mixture. Eggs and milk. These people are going to think we eat just crap food all the time on Sunday. Maybe we do. I don't know, and I just can't admit it. 1 egg, 1/2 cup milk. Let's just use this and wing it. All right, stir in corn and oil. Oh, you know what? Kind of mix this up too. Not all. Oops. Corn. Oh, that's a lot of corn. Spoon of oil, just oil. Which kind of oil would you like? Olive, Berkeley olive, avocado, coconut, sesame, or truffle. Those are our oil choices.
Canola.
Canola in here?
Oh. We need oil in there?
Yeah, 1 tablespoon it says. Right there.
Olive oil.
Which kind? Berkeley or regular?
Regular.
1 tablespoon of oil. Combine flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. Add to egg mixture. Stir just until mixed. Well, we should have done this in the bigger bowl. So here's what I'm going to do.
This is looking rather complicated. What's happening?
Oh no, don't you worry.
Okay. You're done with these things, right?
Yeah. If you remember from chemistry, it does matter what you mix into what. That's why they say add dry to wet. So this should have been in the bigger bowl. We need to put the flour mixture into the wet mixture. How's the oil doing?
It is at 258 as we speak.
That's a fancy setup you got there. Look at that. Thermometer situation into the oil, the canola oil in the pan. Oops. Oh man. Just put that back in there. No.
This-
350. That was fast.
That is 350 degrees.
All right.
It looks pretty good, actually.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah.
All right. First one going in. I always feel like I'm doing something really terrible. Like I'm gonna get in trouble or something. We're having deep fried food? Oh my god. Don't tell anyone. I guess on Sunday we just don't worry about it. Sunday fun day.
Nobody else was there to stop us.
That first one's ready.
Yeah, that looks good. Look at that. She's a beauty.
Now we go on and on with this poor love song we've been working on far too long, baby. Do
gosh, they look beautiful. Yeah, they're golden brown and there's little pieces of corn. Oh. Yummy.
Little convection current stirred it back up.
Over top? Or
Yep.
did you dip it in? Okay. I got us some fruit to sort of help redeem the breakfast a little.
Trying to make us pretend to be healthy eaters.
We are healthy eaters, just not on Sunday.
You can never have too much maple syrup on a fritter.
Bon appetit! Oh, you're not supposed to eat with your fingers?
You can do whatever you want.
Mmm. Oh my god. Wow.
That was nice.
Yeah. It's like a corn explosion in my mouth with sugar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh man, if this
Sweet.
isn't comfort food, I don't know what is. You feeling comforted?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my god. I'm gonna have to do 2 workouts today.
Well, it depends on how you look at it. I mean, you know, we're having vegetables for breakfast.
You wanna do some thrift shopping today? Or some antique shopping?
Why, of course. Sure.
Boy, that wasn't a forced answer. Do they store well? I don't think
I
they
don't know.
would.
I've never been faced with that dilemma.
Nobody knows. They always get eaten. Well, that made quite a lot.
Looks like it was enough for 4 people.
Yeah. Corn fritters.
Corn fritters.
Happy Sunday fun day. Let's go
Happy
shopping.
Sunday. Hello.
Goodwill.
Can I take some Goodwill inside?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smoke. sure you believe me. But if I mean to show, I will never let you go.
Yep,
No.
that's a keeper.
I don't see the logic of things.
Okay, we're gonna do our haul from our Goodwill shopping trip. I got those 2 beautiful jars of sauce. They're not vintage, but they're really adorable. They'll look really good in our new kitchen, especially with this color on the top. And we also got, oh, they were green. I forgot they were green. This beautiful cut glass bowl. It's got a silver top. Pretty for fruit in our Victorian home. And we got this mirror, which maybe we'll paint or we'll put some trim on or leave it as it is. I'm not sure, but I thought it was beautiful. Thanks for joining us this week. 1, 2, 3.
Happy
1, 2, 3.
Happy Sunday Fun Day.